coming to the next concept, that is perimeter of square. See, it is again the sum of all the sides as similar to the square, as similar to the rectangle and similar to the triangle. The perimeter of square will be the sum of its all sides similar. Therefore, we can write like this. If one side is s centimeters, so can we write like this? The perimeter of the square will be s plus s plus s plus s. Means how many s are here? 4s. So hence we get the formula of the perimeter of square. Perimeter of square we can write the side 4 into one side. S means one side. Yes, the value of one side. Yes. So we have got the formula of perimeter of square is equal to 4 into one side. So using this formula we are going to solve this example. The question is, find the perimeter of square whose sides measures 3 centimeter each. 3 centimeters each means all the sides are of 3 centimeter, and we have to find the perimeter of that square whose sides are of 3 centimeter each. Okay, so the formula of perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. Yes, and the side is 3. So I have put the value of side. One side is equal to 3. So 4 into 3 is equal to 12 centimeter. This is the perimeter of square. Very easy. Now see the next question. It is somewhat different. Here we have to find the side and perimeter is given. See the question. What says? Find the side of the square whose perimeter is 36 centimeter. See, this is the square and its perimeter is 36 centimeter. We have to find these sides. Earlier it was given, na? Now we have to find this sides. So what we will do and how we can find out? By applying the formula, same formula. Yes, see, perimeter we are knowing, perimeter is equal to 36 centimeter. And what is the formula of perimeter of square? Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side, one side. Yes, and we have to find that only. Okay, so the value of perimeter is 36 centimeter. Shall I put it here? Yes, this is 36 is equal to 4 into side. Okay, now for finding this, what I have done, I have shifted this side towards this side. Yes, this s is shifting toward this side. So what it will be, it is in multiplication, so it will be converted into division. So 36 will be divided by 4. Okay, and we will get the value of this side. Understood what I have done? See once again, we have to find the side of the square whose perimeter is 36 centimeter. Here the perimeter has been given. Earlier we were finding this perimeter. Now here we have to find this value of side. Okay, we have to find this value. So perimeter is equal to 36, and after applying the value formula of perimeter, perimeter is equal to 4 into side. I have put the value of this perimeter here. Okay, perimeter is equal to 4 into side, and side, this I have to find out. So I have shifted toward this side, and this 36 will be divided by 4 because it is in multiplication, so it will be converted into division. 36 divided by 4. So the final answer is 9 centimeter. So we have got the side of square is equal to 9 centimeter. We can recheck it also. See, if it is 9, so after applying the formula of perimeter of square, so what it is? 4 into 9. 4 9s are 36. Yes, and this is perimeter. This is the formula of perimeter now. P is equal to 4 into one side. One side is 9, and I have cross checked it. So we have got the correct answer. 9 is the correct answer. Understood? Thank you.